How to get paid with Melio. To get paid with Melio, follow these steps. First, go to the official login page of Melio. The link is https://meliopayments.com. Then click on Sign In option. Then sign in using your email address and password. Or you can sign in with Google or Intuit. In the home page, click on Get Paid option. Here you can observe how many payment request is not sent, how many payment requests had been sent, how many payment requests are in progress, and how your payment have been completed and you get paid. From You Unsent section, select the payment you want to be paid, then click on the Send option. Then enter your customer email address and the payment memo. Then click on Send a Payment Request option. And your payment request will be sent. Then your customer will receive an email like this. Then your customer will select the schedule for your payment. And you will receive your payment in bank account. You can also track your payment and get paid timeline. Thanks for watching.